INS Institute of Technology. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication Engineering and in the year 2022, and I've recently got placed in the company called Quest Global with 3 LPA, and I'm really thankful for the JSpiders Hebbal Branch, who always helped me through attending interviews and also grooming up me for my interviews. I also gained very much knowledge in all the subjects related to IT field like Java, HTML and Java web technology. The HRs are very friendly and always help you in attending the interviews by conducting many grooming classes, and also I would like to thank Anupama ma'am and also Akshay sir and Shivu sir, who always put me through many interviews and got me placed. Thank you very much.